Some of the most useful features in Excel are hidden under the Data Ribbon button, What If Analysis. In this lesson, we will try to explain and use the Goal Seek feature. This tool allows us to see how one data item in a formula impacts another. In our example, we are planning on buying a new car, and we have our eyes on a certain model with a cost of $20,000. Unfortunately, we don't have the money and have to turn to a bank for a loan. The initial offer from a banker is shown in the current spreadsheet. The rate is 6% per year for 5 years of monthly payments, which leads to 60 payments in total. As you can see, the monthly payment needed to fill the requirement is approximately $386. This happens to be over our budget and we want to explore more possibilities. We feel that we can pay more than $300 per month, but we can handle a bigger duration of the loan. Here is where a Goal Seek kicks in. We choose from the Data Ribbon, the What If Analysis button, and then the Goal Seek tool. In Set Cell, we choose the cell we want to set to a new value. In our case, cell E7, which is the monthly payment. We send the value target, which in our case is minus 300. It is minus because it is money we give to the bank. And the cell we want to change is the number of monthly payments, cell C7. We press OK, and the result is a bit more than 81 months. That sounds a lot. We click on OK to keep the result and decide that 80 months in total are the top of the duration we can accept. We change the term to 80, and the payment increases to approximately $304. We click on Goal Seek again, but this time the goal is to alter the annual rate of the loan in order to achieve the required value, which is the minus $300, by changing the cell B7, which contains the annual rate. We press on OK. So, if we can find a bank that can provide a 5.6% annual rate for our loan for an 80-month period, and for the $20,000 we need, we are within our goals. Now we can be off to the banks and negotiate a loan, having a more precise idea of what to expect and what to ask for.